Everyone had a pool around us, so we had, I guess, a little bit of pool envy in the neighborhood here. We're really wanting to put a pool in this backyard. There was nothing back here at all. Before the pool, the kids were always asking to go to a splash pad because they really liked that, experience, whether it was at a bigger park or just the smaller ones around town. So that was one of the top items on our list.
I want it as deep as possible so we could jump in and have fun.
Favorite part of the pool for me is the sun shelf. That was my top item for the pool. It reminds me of vacations we've been on, where we've had been at those resorts that have that type of experience, or we rented a house somewhere that's had that sun shelf. So it reminds me of that, and just the idea of being able to cool down easily and enjoy the sun.
With kids, you're constantly looking for something to do. Go upstairs, go downstairs, read a book, go ride a bike, go shoot some basketball. But this allows us just to flow in and out of the house really easily. It's another activity. Actually, it's multiple activities out here that we can do on a night. We
do try to keep the kids off of electronics like most parents do. So when we say we're spending the day at the pool, there's no arguments there, and they love spending the entire day out here. It's family time, and that's what we built it for. It makes for just an easy afternoon and evening. We had such a great experience with American Pools and Spas. We had a lot of revisions that we needed to do, and we're both pretty picky, and we knew what we wanted back here. We had our must-have list of items, so they worked very well with us to make that happen.
We plan on having this house and having this pool and enjoying this pool for years to come. The kids will be out of the house in 14 years, and we'll still be out here sitting on the sunshine.
Yes.